The Redmi Note 17 Pro Max is the upcoming top-tier model in Xiaomi's newest mid-range lineup, heavily detailed in recent August 2026. Now Redmi Note 17 Pro Max leaked image. Powered by Qualcomm's 4nm Snapdragon 6 Gen 5 chipset, coupled with an Adreno 812 GPU, the device achieved 924 points in the single-core test and 2,923 points in the multi-core test. The Redmi Note 17 Pro Max could feature a 6.83-inch AMOLED 1.5K display with a 120Hz refresh rate, 3,500 nits peak brightness, and Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection. An in-display fingerprint scanner. The Note 17 Pro Max is also expected to feature an OIS-enabled 50-megapixel main camera along with an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera on the back, a 32-megapixel front camera, packs a massive 9,210 mAh battery supporting ultra-fast 100W wired charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.